So today, of course, we need to do some maintenance on the excavator. Trying to lube up every joint. I've already lubed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points or spots. So that I used around 3 minutes, I think. So let's see, I will take the remaining parts now. Yeah, I stopped the recording around 7 minutes and 50 seconds, I think. Then, before that, I have lubed up that point, that joint, those joints, and those two, I think, perhaps also those. And that I used around 3 minutes. So all in all, around 10-11 minutes to lube up every point or joint, I can say. Rippa has made a good explanation of where the points are. So spend some time doing maintenance on your excavator. Then you're sure it will last for many more hours. If you fail or don't prioritize some easy maintenance on your excavator, it will surely break down, especially if you're not greasing up the points. Then it will eventually break down because of it will run dry and it will start creaking and it will start tearing itself apart. So use 10-15 minutes before every day, before you start using your equipment, not only this one but general. If you're working with equipment that needs some easy maintenance, it will surely make your equipment last several more hours. So let's start to clean up the piles we made yesterday, put it on the trailer. Use the ATV to connect the trailer and get that stuff out of the way. Finished for today. Now everything that is on the ground is just organic, so it will decompose and rot without putting any kind of pollution into the ground. Everything is on the trailer, all the bits and pieces that never will decompose by itself. Our kid is learning how to drive the excavator now. Learning by doing, right? The rake is just pure genius, I think, because then you can remove big obstacles, not obstacles, but the big objects in the ground without removing the dirt. I can continue to thank Rippa for the good machine and Vigrestad machine for delivering it. But yeah, much more will be done. So I will keep you guys posted. Until the next video.